I just want to make sure. Free?
$20.
As author Anthony Brandt has said, other things may change us, but we start and end with family. I've been picking the Commonwealth for 20 years, searching high and low at yard sales, thrift stores, antique malls, garages, and sometimes even barns for treasures I can pass on to new homes through eBay. But now as I watch my little ones growing up before my eyes, I find that my real treasures are right here with me every day. So join us as we pick, flip, and resell on our 2 eBay stores and in our 3 antique booths.
Do you GoPro your garage selling?
I do.
That's poppin'. $5. That's a great deal. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry, this is my bug zapper. Thank you.
Do I have any video games by any chance?
We did.
Uh-huh. That's okay.
Hey, Jenna, did you guys sell all this? They sold all of them.
That's all right. Thank you. We'll just find some else. I guess I'll look at the cassettes. Against my better judgment. Beatles. Oh, look at that. Anthology. Cool. I like that case. Make offer. Debbie Gibson. The Cars. Neil Diamond. Beach Boys. Christmas. I should not do that. But knowing me, I probably will. Look at all them Garth Brooks. Kenny G. The Judds. I'm gonna avoid it, what do you know? Oh yeah, free. It's a pump. Why is this free? Sweet. Free.
I can't figure out what that is for.
A little better shape. How much on a cassette?
What's that?
Cassette.
Cassette tape.
I think she's doing like 25 cents.
Okay.
I think.
Right on.
Yeah, for sure. Huh.
Well, that's a double. So that mean 50 or does that mean
I'm
92?
pretty sure it's still 25.
Yeah.
Awesome. This says free.
Generous. Must be free.
I think it's hers. So.
I just want to make sure. Free.
$20.
I think it's that. She's so cute.
I'm like,
Can you explain that to me?
it's a camera.
She's 5. Wow,
So-
she's the same age.
I videotape myself picking up stuff at garage sales.
Do you GoPro your garage selling?
I do.
That's poppin'.
Wait a minute. I gave you $1. Oh wait. Okay, I thought you gave me $1 back. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna buy something from you because I'm hungry.
Like a
There
muffin.
is
All kinds.
Blueberry?
Blueberry.
We'll take that one.
Thank you.
We'll take that one.
That's probably not. Things you shouldn't say.
Thank you.
Because I was standing there.
See y'all.
Yeah, so
Okay, bye.
I'd probably sell like $10. Do I want to do it? Is the question. Oh, I suppose. I found 2 more things.
All right, we got an alibi.
What do you,
$20.
what do you think?
50 cents.
Total or both? You're tough.
Yeah.
Oh, what did I do with my money here?
I'm sleep deprived.
I hear you. I get it. If I run out of dollars, nope, there's $1. There's that one. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Did I have the 50 cents you gave me? Here.
$5.30 only because
Well.
she.
Oh, well, it's in there with my muffin. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Y'all have a great day.
Yep, I would have rolled out. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
Come on.
$1 each. You're welcome.
Okay.
Come on, Picker.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good to see you.
How are you?
Doing good. How about
You found
yourself?
anything today?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you did good?
Yeah, I went out to Water Lick.
Yeah. What was that the storage place?
Yeah, there's a lot of big stuff. But
I was there and left before, so
Really?
I left because it was taking forever.
Yeah.
So that was no good. You found some stuff there, huh?
I must have got there right after you because it seemed like I was the only person there, and and they were kind of like getting together. Getting
What did
organized.
you get, if you don't mind me asking?
It was a crock pot in there.
Okay. There wasn't a lot of smalls there, was it? It was mostly big
all the way
stuff.
in the back.
But I mean, it was mostly big stuff.
Yeah, it was a crock pot. Like I
Okay.
back in the truck. It's
Good.
I think eBay around $200.
Really?
I said pressure cooker. I'm sorry.
Pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Awesome.
The
That's
other-
killer, man.
And then I found a weather vane, copper horse weather vane.
Right, yeah.
And I bought it and flipped it right on site. The guy wanted it, so I went ahead and flipped it.
How much did you get for it?
I got it for 10 and sold for 35.
Awesome. Hey, you can't beat that, man.
I had to pay for my next purchase.
Yeah, you got that. That's good stuff.
Hey, enjoyed your videos. Yeah, I want to comment on the one about the tape. That was a good one. Last
Tape.
the layout tape, the
Oh,
wire
yeah.
tape. Yeah.
That's a good one. I never heard of that. You know, I've been doing this 20 years. I'm like, how come I've never heard of this?
I told my wife, I said, you hear that noise? That's the sound of money right there.
I hear you. Who am I paying for this stuff here? Is this yours?
Yeah.
It's $1. Okay. All right. There you go. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Honduras. Maybe I should get these. Look, Honduras,
Oh yeah,
Guatemala.
that's the plate you don't have. Right?
Yeah, for sure. All right, I think I'm out of here.
All right.
See you later. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
Good, doing good.
You sell much today?
Yeah, we sold a lot.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I wish it was still here for me to peruse, but see if I can find anything left over.
We still got quite a bit.
How you doing, man?
Hey, good. How are you?
I think I'm supposed to be picking up that hammock swing.
You out? Yeah, I bet you are.
I like it.
P-Dye Golf Club. Cadillac. Oh, faded. Game of Thrones. Oh no, yo. Is that worth money?
Everybody thinks I'm running the show here. I'm like, I'm just trying to help him out. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Now what are these?
Oh my gosh, those are
Blood pressure.
cuffs. Yeah,
Gotcha.
those are.
Viagra blood pressure cuffs.
I'm gonna set it right up here in the front when I come back through with my truck.
What is this guy?
I don't have any idea what that is.
What do you say?
Stratton
Stratton head.
Stratton.
skis.
It's like it doesn't say shalom and then say
Wow.
head on it. What does that say?
That box has been around for a while.
I found it. You didn't even know it was here.
No, I probably did.
You got over here a bunch of.
Yeah, those are more decorative books than reading books, I believe.
You have to make that beeping noise.
How much?
I won't be enjoying it. My wife will be enjoying it while I'm mowing the grass.
How much on your DVDs here?
50 cents each.
Okay, I'll do that. Meatloaf. How about CD?
A quarter each.
Okay.
Especially if you take them all.
I'll grab these. 50 cents. Downton Abbey. Sure.
Right, so there's crystals in there. Right, and the crystals are embedded in.
$1, $1.50, $2.50.
Been doing it for 25 years.
Would you?
It's him.
Oh, it's him. Who? Oh, right here. That's
His
right.
house. I'm just. We
Gotcha.
bought a bunch of stuff, and my wife's treating her. His
Awesome.
wife. I'm sure he'll unload those pretty.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make him an offer for the whole one.
Do we what picture about to
Yeah. Yeah, I'll resell them if I can. I'm not sure about those. So,
It's a mouse.
Yeah.
got $2.50 here.
All right.
We do $5. I'll take that whole basket out of here.
I'll do that.
Okay. So there's well.
How
I'll
about
use
we make it
$7.50.
8 for the lot?
I would love to, but I think I'm short $1. Unless let's just do this.
There
You
you go.
want to here? I'll give you 10.
There you go. I'm gonna give you all that back.
There you go.
10. I'm gonna give you 2 back, right?
Yep.
How about that?
Whoop.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna break it. I just bought it, so you can't say if I break it, I bought
Yeah.
it. Right?
There you go, my man.
Hey, all right. Thank you.
Enjoy.
You have a good day. What y'all asking on that Mary Kay?
So like the moisturizers and stuff are $2, but then everything else is $1.
Mm-hmm.
And like the big compacts, they're $2.
Okay.
So like these things would be like $1, and then these would
Now
be,
we're talking $1 each or $1 a bag?
well, tell me what you want, and
Well, I'll
we
tell you
can
what.
figure it out.
I'll tell you what I want. That's what I want.
All right, would you do $10 for that?
I will.
Okay.
I will. Thank
I
you.
can get you a bag for that. Roll
Oh.
that bag for you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So y'all must have done well today.
Yeah, we have. We've been here since 6, so we've done really well. Been pretty steady the whole time. So.
6 o'clock.
Yeah. For our volleyball team, so we finally get to play. Then we raise
Yeah.
get money for shoes
I hear
and
you.
everything.
There's a
So
20.
thank you. I will get you
Thank
some
you.
back.
Well, good. I'm glad.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I
Have a good
appreciate
one.
it. Y'all have a good one.
Do they not fit?
$10. Look at these things. Pretty good condition. Take some cleaning. $10. Man, do I want to go there? That's the question. Do I want to go there? Hey, check this out. Wonderful books. 1985. It's probably a good one to buy, but I don't think I'm gonna. Bob's Burgers, mug. 2019.
Move aside and that will be on the sidewalk. Thank you. Kinsey, don't squeal. Just say excuse me.
I need that. I don't want to get it. I got an offer for you if you'll think about it. So you got $5 on this, and you got $10 on those skis. Would you do $10 for both of them?
Wow.
You do that?
Yep.
Perfect.
Mama, where's that puppet?
Perfect. There you go.
Thanks.
Thank you. I
Any
appreciate
rope
it.
carrying?
No, I think we'll be good. I'll just take 2 trips. Put this one in the booth and sell those. Maybe sell them in the booth. Probably sell them on eBay. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate you coming by. Hope you enjoyed the video today. And this is about 1/3 of the stuff we found today. So there'll be more videos coming out here pretty shortly. And if you want to see what we're selling this stuff for, head on over to the Commonwealth Flipper channel. And that's the channel where we sell the stuff. You can check us out inside this cabin right here. And thanks again for joining us. Don't forget, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.